What's the name of your hometown again?
My hometown is called Ilsan. It's quite near to Seoul, and it takes about an hour and a half by bus. It's quite a big city, too.
Is that a big city or a small place?
I'd say it's quite big. There are lots of towns within the city, and it takes some time to look around everywhere.
How long have you been living there?
It's been about 6 years now. When I came back to Korea, my family moved into this city and we actually like there a lot.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, very much indeed. It's a big, well-organized city with lots of convenient facilities.
Is there anything you dislike about?
Well, sometimes there are too many people, like on weekends, especially in spring. People come and visit my town to see cherry blossoms, and it's ridiculously crowded at that time of year.
What do you like most about your hometown?
I like having cinemas right in front of my apartment. Actually, in my town, there are 2 cinemas in 3 minutes walking distance. As I like watching movies, it's always great. Well, it happened when I traveled Hong Kong. Before traveling there, I gathered some information about the country and tourist attractions, and I really wanted to visit the peak to see the night view of the city. So, I looked for information online, and I read an article saying the only way to get to the peak was to walk up the hill and take the tram. As I had never been to Hong Kong at that time, I just believed it, but it turned out wrong. I think it took me around half an hour to get to the tram station by foot, but I saw buses kept coming near the station. I thought it was weird, but because of the article I read, I didn't really know there were buses or taxis coming right in front of the tram station. I was really upset at that time, because the weather was absolutely boiling hot, and it was really annoying. After walking up the hill, I was really sweaty and tired. I kept thinking I could save a lot of time and energy if I took a bus or a taxi. It was like a nightmare for me as I hate hiking. At the end, I enjoyed the night view and took loads of pictures, but it was really unpleasant experience.
What kinds of professions are related to giving information to others?
Obviously, teachers, because they need to teach students, and I think consultants need to give information to others. Also, workers in sales sectors need to provide information to sell products.
How can people check whether a piece of information is correct or not?
They can look it up online, find it through books, or probably ask someone who knows better. I think using the internet is the easiest way for checking whether information is right or wrong nowadays.
Do people trust information online?
Mostly, I think. Online information is a lot more reliable nowadays, so people usually trust what they see online. Also, it's easy to compare various pieces of online information for them.
What are some of the different reasons why people use the internet?
The main reason for using the internet would be searching for information. Most people look for information they need or want to find out about. Also, some people might use it for learning something. There are tons of video clips online, and many distance learning courses are also available. Some people might use it to communicate with others who are in other countries.